Welcome back to another episode of The House Honey. Today we're looking at another manufactured home. This is the cabin, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. I'll drop the specs somewhere in the video. It's 1,344 square feet. And as you can see here, it's a floor plan. So go ahead and pause it. Take a look at this floor plan just to get a closer look. And here we go. So, as I was touring this home, there was some movers that were actually updating some stuff. So they were taking from, just moving stuff around. So you'll kind of notice some changes as we go through. And then you're going to notice a couple of rooms that don't look all the way finished. That is because I just so happened to be going in and taking a look as they were updating it. Regardless, you can see the potential. You can definitely see why they call it the cabin. I mean, look at the wood. You got the hardwood floor, the hardwood oak cabinetry. All of the doors are that pretty wood. You've got those tall ceilings with those wood mantles. Everything just looks so cabiny, literally. Yeah, I loved this one. It was so cute. I could see this being in the woods somewhere. Not too deep in the woods, but kind of off the map. Definitely discreet. Got a nice patio built around there if you decide to, and just go out there and enjoy some coffee, some tea, enjoy the nature. Absolutely. For someone who's really into the outdoors, you're gonna love this one. And even if you're not, I mean, come on, that wood just adds so much character to this house, I must say. You got some storage right there at the front. More storage. Ignore all the stuff that they got going on in there. Oh man, when I was trying to film this home, I was just it was really difficult trying to get the footage when like they were in another room and I would have to record the rooms that they weren't in. Here's the laundry room. Some more storage. And then they did it so quick, they were able to move everything out and then leave. But they moved so much stuff out that some of the rooms were not even furnished anymore. I was like, dang it. If I would have just been 5 minutes sooner, I would have been able to get all the footage, but it's okay. Here's the bathroom. This is the first bathroom that we're going to see. This is the main bathroom. Got some extra storage up in here. Nice little pantry. Wait a minute. Is it a pantry if it's in the bathroom? Is it a pantry if it's in the bathroom? Drop a comment. Let me know. Or is that just a storage closet? Like, what is a linen closet? Duh. Okay. I see. It might take a little bit. It might take me a little time. But either way, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. Here's the second bedroom. Not furnished, but you see the potential. Nice, decent size. Oh, I love the borders. The baseboards around the rooms. That wood, that is so unique and just pretty. Here's the master bedroom. Okay, so ignore that. Just ignore what needs to be ignored. And take a look at that wall right there. How nice is that? You've got the wood, you've got the window. You could do so much with decor in this room and just completely bring that all together so beautifully. So beautifully. Here is the closet. Huge closet, very deep. Goes all the way down and around, which I loved. They kept the wood and the baseboards all the way throughout. little seating or storage shelf looking thing right there. Don't know what it's for, but it's convenient. I would use it to hide. Close the door, put my phone on do not disturb, just kind of sit in there, hide a little bit. Here is the master bathroom. So pretty. So woodsy. Oh my gosh, everything. Even the countertops, it's almost matching the wood, you know what I mean? Like the design. Like if you were to look at it from your peripheral, it almost looks like it's all in one. All one design, all one texture. Kind of, you know what I mean? But either way, very woodsy. So cute. I love it. Guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's good for the algorithm. I really appreciate you guys for watching the video, and I know you guys love these manufactured homes, so please like the video, and I'm gonna keep bringing these to you guys. Okay, thank you. Another quick look at the front. Oh, that Staples box. I didn't want to move their stuff, but you know what I mean? I was so close to just snatching that Staples box right from the counter and continuing on. I really don't think they would have minded. Thinking back, really don't think they would have cared. All right, you guys. Check out the website. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in another episode. Bye.